graphene, a layer of atoms arranged in a honeycomb structure. Thanks to this discovery, the world was introduced to a groundbreaking material that can change our world. Here's why. Graphene is the thinnest known material, only 1 atom thick. It would take 3 million sheets of it to equal the width of a pencil tip. Despite being the lightest known material, it's also the strongest, harder than diamond, and 200 times stronger than steel. It can bend, is almost entirely transparent. Graphene is proven to be an anti-corrosion coating for metal that is transparent, thinner, and longer lasting than anything that currently exists.
Loss of power, rough idle, and elevated emissions result more and more in expensive repairs.
Since the gasoline is injected directly into the cylinder, it doesn't wash over the intake valves and clean them like in traditional poured fuel injection engines. This allows carbon to build up quickly on the valves. The result is reduced performance, loss of power, and eventually damage to the cylinder and other components. Alternative technologies to address this problem involve expensive processes like walnut shell blasting or manually cleaning the valves.
Nano Gasoline Diesel Dynamic Concentrating Agent. It increases octane number in compression stroke to avoid pre-burning and detonation. And the nano water drop will be vaporized immediately when the cylinder combustion chamber is lit up and exploded. Its powerful fluctuation efficiency is not only able to disintegrate the oil drop to make it be able to be burnt easily, but also block out the combination of nitrogen and oxygen in the high temperature. The accumulated carbon in the cylinder will be able to be eliminated effectively, and the exhaust emissions are overly reduced by 40 to 95%.
Works because it's injected directly into the air intake system, and it hits the back of the intake valves with powerful graphene, especially prone to carbon buildup on the valves. That gives you an opportunity to help your customers and increase your sales. So it's strong enough to remove the hard carbon deposits created by GDI engines,
including carbon accumulation in the engine, exhaust emissions. It solves all the problems in one go. Heavy oil consumption, detonation, and oil pipe blockage. The average oil saved is around 10 to 20%, with 25% reduction in CO2 emission, so that the power of the engine is enhanced. Engine temperature is reduced, oil consumption and maintenance fees are saved, and vehicle life cycle is extended for optimal performance.
how friction modifiers work. Next to a home, a vehicle is one of the largest investments many people are likely to make. So when buying a car or truck, it's important to get the most out of it, to maintain it, and make it last as long as possible. Good quality fuel containing deposit control and other additives can help a car keep running better longer.
Nanomaterials scientists have developed an award-winning nanotechnology-based solution, working under extreme pressure conditions. This continuous motion causes friction and heat, leading to jagged and rough surfaces. In addition, friction causes wear and tear, energy loss, and fuel and oil inefficiencies, resulting in mechanical failures. Small additions of nanolube are enough to allow the formation of a protective tribofilm that improves the coefficient of friction. This allows the metals to withstand greater pressures and increases the lifetime of your oil. Our nanotube is an anti-friction and anti-wear engine oil with unique dual-action properties. It contains billions of nano-sized tungsten disulfide inorganic spheres that dramatically improve the lubrication properties of engine oils. Billions of nanospheres enter the crevices on metal surfaces. Their submicroscopic diameters allow them to refurbish rough surfaces, leaving them smoother. Under pressure, the nanospheres exfoliate their outer layers, creating a tribofilm layer that attaches to the contacting metal surfaces. This tribofilm lamella gives the metal durable protection and has the ability to withstand extreme pressure conditions. As friction and wear are reduced, the engine runs quieter, cooler, and more efficiently. An owner of a vehicle treated may now experience more efficient fuel consumption, extended engine life, a quieter engine, enhanced power and torque, and less harmful emissions. Significantly improves mechanical performance by reducing wear and friction. Extends machine life with lower downtime and longer service cycles. Reduces operations costs with lower service requirements, less breakdowns, and more efficient energy consumption. And contributes to a better environment by optimizing operations and reducing emissions. Nanotechnology-based solution.
It is the clean energy for the new generation gasoline and diesel vehicles.
Well, that's it. Thanks for taking the time. We hope you'll make it a part of your regular service for your. We believe they'll appreciate that you've given them an affordable way to preserve their vehicle's performance and protect their investment.